In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the ghost effect or effect in CapCut PC. If you want to create an eerie supernatural look, a dramatic action trail, or a smooth double exposure style transition, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The effect works by stacking the same clip twice, then animating the top copy so it grows slightly and fades away. The result is a ghostly motion trail that feels clean, cinematic, and surprisingly simple to build. To get started, head down to your timeline and click once on your main video clip so it's highlighted. This is the footage you want the effect to appear on. Once it's selected, press Ctrl and C, then Ctrl and V on your keyboard to make an exact duplicate. After that, take the duplicated clip and drag it straight upward onto the track above your original footage, placing it on track lane 2. Make sure both clips stay perfectly lined up from the beginning, because that alignment is what makes the effect set look seamless. Now that the overlay layer is in place, it's time to turn the top clip into the ghost image. Click once on the duplicate clip on track lane 2 so you're editing the correct layer. Then move over to the Properties panel in the top right area of the screen. Under the Video tab and then Basic, scroll until you find the Blend section. Change the blend mode from Normal to Screen. This helps the upper clip mix with the original footage in a much lighter, more transparent way, which is what gives the effect its ghost-like appearance. While you're still in that same panel, look for the small diamond keyframe icons next to Scale and Opacity. Click both of them to set your starting keyframes. These act as your first anchor points and tell CapCut where the animation begins. Next, move your playhead forward by about 10 to 15 frames. This controls how quickly the ghost trail appears and disappears, so a shorter distance feels snappier, while a slightly longer one feels more floaty. At this new playhead position, increase the scale to around 150% so the duplicate expands outward. Then lower the opacity all the way to 0%. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically adds the second set of keyframes for you. That means your top layer will now separate visually from the original, grow larger, and fade out smoothly, creating that ghost effect. If needed, you can fine-tune the frame distance, scale amount, or opacity timing to better match your clip. And that's it, you're all set.